Hello there, I'm Ari and you're flying with Remote Pilots Australia. Let's start off with a shout out to Val from Val's Life. Val interviews interesting people from within the YouTube community, especially the drone related area. If you'd like to get to know somebody that you've watched in live stream a little bit better, it's well worth your while to stop by her channel. There's over 370 interviews and more all the time. There's a link down below. Today we're going to go flying over southern Moreton Bay, about 2 miles inside of Jumpin' Pen Bar. We're going to have a fly over the Mangrove Islands, have a look at what the boaties are doing, check out a beach yacht. This is footage that was taken very early in my droning career, so you'll notice that my cinematic abilities are not very well developed. I was already a fairly good pilot, so there's no issue there, but my panning is not as smooth as it could be. It gets better as time goes by, and I hope that you enjoy this flight. Thank you.
To the right, I'm not looking to be safe tonight, looking for the good life, and this is it. So lean to the left, lean to the right, you are looking to be safe tonight, we are looking for a good life, and this is it. Lovers in the face of disrespect. Let's hold on like lovers in the face of disrespect. So stop your way from all the things we brought for you. When others brought you something that you wished you hadn't. So stop being perfect in any ways. Stop being perfect in any ways. And Father Time has not been good to me. My ray of light says always give a damn. I'm awkward and I'm ugly, give me hell. I'm helping to make myself feel so real. So hold me till my face, it feels like another. And wish me till my life, it feels like another. And Father Time has not been good to me. My life is just a series of wrecks. I'm hoping that you wish me best of luck. Your luck is what I needed years ago. So hug me to my face, it feels like another. And wish me to my life, it feels like another. Never in any way I fear you. Never in any way I fear you. Fear you. Well, faces seem so loud when you're ahead of the crowd. Well, faces seem so loud when you're ahead of the crowd. Well, faces seem so loud when you're ahead of the crowd. My faces seem so loud when you're ahead of the crowd. Let's sell it off, there's no in between. Let's get it going, you know what I mean. I don't want what you're looking for, and I don't feel I reach for the shore. The way that you love me, it makes me feel as high as a kite and low as a wagon wheel. I wouldn't have it any other way. So let's set it up, let's get it hitched. I don't care if our love ends us in the goddamn ditch. The way that I love you is real. There's no in between. Let's get it going, you know what I mean. I don't want what you're looking for, and I don't feel I reach for the shore. The way that you love me, it makes me feel as high as a kite and as low as a wagon wheel. But I've got to admit, digging in. So let's set it up, let's get hitched. I don't care if our love sends us in a goddamn ditch. The way that I feel about you is real. The way that I feel about you is real. You weigh yourself against all the people you are. If you hate what you love, then you never get far. I've got pockets, got some pockets of time. As we sit face to face, we'll discover something that will never be anything without this ring. I've got pockets, got some pockets of time. Yeah, I've got pockets, got some pockets of time. Hold on to the truths you think you had. Recognize the things that you can't shed, and I'll help you cross Mexico. Hold on to the truths you think you had. Recognize the things that you can't mend, and I'll help you cross Mexico. Yeah, I'll help you cross Mexico. I've got pockets, got some pockets of time. As we live through this life from day to day, we can make all the choices in any old way. I've got pockets, got some pockets of time. Yeah, I've got pockets, got some pockets of time. And history is ready to forgive me. You see that history is ready to forgive me. You read your history to be ready to forgive me. I've got history so ready to forgive me. History, your history, your history, your history.
Hello again. Thank you for flying right seat. We were flying a Phantom 4 Professional version 2.0. The controller device was an r.p.a.s 6th generation. I hope you found the flight enjoyable, and if you did, please click on the subscribe below and the little bell if you want to be notified of any future videos. I'm not really in a hunt for a record of subscribers, but I'd like to get to 1,000 so I can take you with me live on the job. I went back to that wreck twice after this video was taken. Once at high tide for fun, and once after that for a customer. But that's a story for another time and another video. I've got some upcoming projects planned. I've already requested permissions from the landholder, and one of them is going to take me a couple of months to put together, and for you railway buffs you may find that enjoyable. Until then, take care and fly safely.